I'm aware that you villainous, killing these niggas will fear you, the scarecrow. Rather die, and she tight as my alibi air though. You the type that I had me not rapping for pleasure, to rinse and repeat, I don't care though. I'm after the guap, so I'm on a money mission on the block. She shotgun, top 5, dead or alive. She ain't 4 legends, said I'm the top one. She a dream come true and she know it, my story don't hold up, I know she gon' drop some. That's my BM and these bullets cold, but if you fuck with her then you catching the hot one. She got her own thing that she do, so when I'm in the store I know she working too. Getting the loot and the things that we do, she ain't telling us so that she cute. Shooting with me in the gym, you can pass me the balls off the rack. Pat a nigga back if you win the shack. If a nigga finna switch, yeah I needed that. Look.
Alright you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the business side of my channel, the entrepreneur side, you guys. So I am currently setting up, not for a particular event, but just to have a photo shoot to show what my business is all about and what I'm working with. Y'all just show my work, y'all. This setup was particularly difficult because it was very windy. It was early in the morning. It was like 9, maybe 10 in the morning. Maybe even 11, I don't even know, but it was kind of cold and very windy. It was bugs everywhere. I was in a rush trying to get this done before I had to get my daughter to school, y'all. But this is all part of being a mom and an entrepreneur. I would definitely encourage anyone that's thinking about doing their own thing and you're a mom just to do it. Luckily, I had the help of my fake business partner here, you guys. I have involuntarily volunteered his services, and yeah, so I'm grateful that this person is helping me. Because you can see the thing is blown away. I did not bring my sandbags. I didn't think it was going to be windy outside early in the morning because I'm never outside at this time of day. But yeah, y'all, somewhere in this video I might slow down. I might break off and then show you guys how I do these balloon clusters. You're going to see at the end how cute they are, you guys, and how easy they are to make. So, I mean, my bad, how it turns out is what I'm trying to say. You're going to see how it turns out. Okay, right here I'm showing you guys the different sizes. So this is a 12-inch balloon, and this is the 10-inch, and this is the 260 balloon that I use to tie everything together and to combine different balloons, y'all. So I'm just going to quickly blow these balloons up and start showing you guys how I made the cluster. So now I'm going to combine 2 balloons, making 4. Usually I would do the 12-inch and then a 10-inch of the same color, but I didn't have that. These are just some cheap balloons that I got from Walmart a long time ago, so I was like, why not use them to show you guys how to make this cluster. The same thing with the yellow balloons. Okay, now I'm going to take the 260 balloon and show you guys how I connect it to combine every size of the balloons, or the small balloons to the big balloons. All I do is double knot it like that, and then I could add my black clip on it, which is what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to take another balloon, 260 balloon, and attach it to the bottom of this balloon, and then this is how I'm going to do my balloon clusters. So this 260 balloon is very stretchy, and this is just how you could gather all your balloons. Okay, now that I connected all the balloons, I did have a little extra 260 there, so I could have kept going, but for demonstration purpose, I just didn't. Alright, y'all, this is how I attach my small balloons to the cluster of balloons. That same 260 balloon I made a circle out of, I just put it on there, choose a balloon to put it on, make sure it's where I want it to be, and that's it. Okay, y'all, you can see my baby. She also helping me. She's always so helpful, and I love her seeing me in this environment as an entrepreneur, because it encourages her to dream big and to, you know, just think that she can do anything. And I just love that, y'all. But anyways, I am struggling to put this on here. I am using these clamps, these black and orange clamps. I'm putting balloons on them, like I showed you guys before when I tied the 260 balloon to the clamp. This is how I attach the balloons to the square arch. So yeah, y'all. Even though it was very windy, those balloons stayed on that arch. Okay, this technique, I love it. After learning it, it's all that I use when possible. Yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna also show you how I did that. Okay, guys, here I'm just adding the small balloons. Oh, yeah, it was so windy. I was chasing balloons all over the place, but I'm just adding my small balloons to really decorate, add a touch of just cuteness, and take it over the top, you guys. To see more of my work, you can go to my business page. I do put that in the description down below. You guys also follow me on Instagram. Let me know if you're from my YouTube so I can follow back. And yes, guys, interact with me. Okay, I'm on there more now, so you should be able to keep up with me on both pages. So the theme of this setup was supposed to be a soft nature safari, like a pool thing. So this would be good for baby showers or first birthdays. And every prop here, the Pooh Bear thing I made, the directional thing is on there. I did the custom color and the vinyl. I'm gonna put pictures on how everything turned out. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye.